Welcome back to Power Lunch. I'm Seema Modi. Banks among the worst hit in today's sell-off after Fed Chair Jerome Powell said rates will stay low through at least 2022. We're looking at Citigroup, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and JP Morgan all sharply lower. Your Trading Nation team today is Bill Baruch of Blue Line Capital and John Petrides of Tocqueville Asset Management. John, we've been living in a low-rate environment for many years now. So what happens if we have 2 more years? What does it mean for the banks?
Yeah, I mean, I think the sell-off in the banks here is a bit overdone. Most of them are trading now at a discount to their tangible book value. And the fundamental question, Seema, that I ask myself is this. Basically, since the financial crisis, the Federal Reserve has been stress testing the bank's balance sheets under very draconian scenarios of a massive stock market sell-off, massive economic contraction, a sell-off in home prices, all these terrible situations. And pretty much since 2013, even since under the stress test, the banks have all passed. So why then do we have this massive concern on the bank side, on the balance sheet side, if the banks have been able to pass the stress test? So I think at current valuation, it makes sense to add here to the banks.
Bill, what's the best stock in the bank space right now?
Well, I do want to talk a little more broadly first, because ultimately the sector itself failed against the 200-day moving average, the XLF. And what we're seeing is a move down into support today. I think the sector broadly is at finding support at a 382 retracement and previous highs at 23.5. So that's where the XLF is. I wouldn't be a buyer broadly until about 21.5. And you're starting to see exhaustion there, and the market's rolling over, signaling on the MACD. So I think there is farther to go. However, if I were to pick a name, I like JP Morgan. I like it a lot. I like the leadership there, and it led to the upside last year. So that chart looks very similar. I would be patient waiting for about $90 in JP Morgan, though.
Got it. Bill and John, thank you. And for